yo. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. Any diem dodo na munim Nana Tornado no montagene mame. Come here say was say Nana Tornado eba abonten no bebu nkotoje no be Stonebwoy achew.
Who is fake more than you? You never appreciated Dusty to Ghana and say, guy, be a friendly Dusty D into or no, and then Mammy Shaka with Hill said, and I'm in any born. So if you'll be fake. Stonebwoy, so what could be a hypocrite when we are man? Stonebwoy, a hypocrite.
Nana Tornado ba abonten ebe jina Stonebwoy konso. Mia Stonebwoy konama. Yo. Na ni nyina ne say after kwaku smoke show a Stonebwoy echo tweet ya homachim bi say nipa mienu bi a friendship fake, you know. On says asem na that tweet, you know, it generated a lot of talkability in this in the entertainment space. Now we Nana Tornado edin anu tum. Now not know we say uche Tony energy Nana Tornado de kasaya na come here say wabom yato because Nana Tornado chirem the entire sebi Stonebwoy ni ho kwan say oba abonten meka say ni colleagues be fake and I say two guys be fake. Nana Tornado kasaya to the extent say Nana Tornado magana fo nyina ehu nipa enam ne so a sebi oboa Stonebwoy ema one carry Hillsing enyom na come here say upon the link up sebi the senior man no ma Stonebwoy any carry enyum ni nyina Stonebwoy amedana say and nti Stonebwoy there or you hypocrite or you ungrateful or you fake video no a trend ya sebi content creators edi ye adwuma no ana beam natives no Stonebwoy fans no say there be omahu instances a Stonebwoy edi credit no ama nipa na sebi Nana Tornado kase Stonebwoy emoni din da no empenifo say on true for was me dance ni wo kro bi so.
All right, but let's also clear something here, Stone. Some people actually think you met Kerry Hillsing at Anglonga Junction. And I don't know where the Anglonga Junction is. Is it the one in Kumasi? Because I don't know of any Anglonga Junction in Anglo.
It's the one in America. There must be an Anglonga Junction in America. It only take one person to say, yeah, okay, fine, let's fix it. You know? But I mean, we met in the States, yes, after we got introduced over the phone by a friend, who met her on a flight. Later got to realize that was scary and the topic changed to be musical. And then, my name popped in there because that friend of mine, Dusty, big up herself, would always stand in for us, man. And so he connected the vibe right there because he coincidentally or fortunately by divine met up the lady and then we took it from there. He called me one dawn when I was in Ghana, for the time difference. So we vibed right there and then fortunately some few days after I was going to be in the States. So I visited and then God knows, chemistry was on point. Kerry is like was a good friend to me now.
Big respect to Jamal and Kerry Hillsing for making that happen. Shout outs to, how we met was so natural. A good friend of mine was boarding a flight and then he chanced up to be speaking to one a beautiful girl. And he didn't even realize I was Kerry Hillsing.
She is beautiful.
And then it became like, oh yeah, Kerry, like, yeah, yo, my boy Stonebwoy, blah, blah, blah. And then we connected right. I was sleeping when he called me. It's like, yo, I just met Kerry Hillsing, da-da-da-da-da. Take her number. That's how he goes. Shout out to Dusty. And that's where we took it on. Went on and I came to the States and I, had to visit her, went to the studio. We recorded this song right from scratch. Shout out to Dre Harris for producing this song. All the hands on the song are blessed and are professionals. So we got to get a very beautiful, beautiful sound that we have right now.
Me no can say, Beam natives, attack content creators, Oh, how many notifications? Say Beam natives, ne ball plum. Say some Nana Tornado air cover Stonebwoy, no crack. Or more evidence, me no can say, me inbox my ma. And me one thing I stand for, no cre. Me one thing I stand for in this life, no cre. Irrespective of said ye fans no esi who ye biano. Me assemble na no cra me can say ye city na. Enunti ampa me so me kwa me hwehwemu. Na me hwehwemu no ana me ko hu say on two different occasions, on Joy and on Vlad TV on YouTube, these two platforms, Stonebwoy, I show gratitude and I say appreciation to that Dusty D na sabi enam ne so a oshia Kerry Hilson and in the year no. Na dientia I think say sa story no anya popular nie. During my research on that video no, de me who ye nie because who says sa video no and trendy muntie nie. Sa video no Joy News for interview with Stonebwoy 6 years ago no and trendy. Currently crown video na the 6 years ewo Joy News for YouTube channel but only 400 to 500 views per 470 as I'm making this video no now views near 470 views 475 views per and until video no me fan say locally no sa story no and trendy because se video call YouTube near 400 views yen him say no anko which means information na anya den enrich the masses okay and we one two on Vlad TV and DJ Vlad TV and no me fan say a YouTube channel in America which is yen fan say no ye international omukuta 6 million plus subscribers top musicians across our platform so on that platform too Stonebwoy SL show appreciation and gratitude to nipa na sabi nana tornado ebeka say upon the sani pakron ye man na oni Kerry Hilson enya collab ni nyina no Stonebwoy ama abonten amedana se ameka ma wiase ehu nia sa Dusty D no enso ayama no that video no so on that Vlad TV no as I'm talking to you right now no views near 6,900 views which and also no mechanic say enrich it to the masses because platform more than 6 million subscribers se video koho na unya mefane say 7,000 views which means anko and it's a international platform and a platform like this and also me check it years video na di 3 years ewo and unti ebetima say na tornado ehu video we mu bia over the years because videos based on my researcher making video na anshada anko video no anshada anko oka Joy News and Vlad TV ni mienu bomu kra na sabi enru 8,000 views mpo which is yen nyina ni internet say story be ye 8,000 views e che say anko ba bia enu nti no say onye core fan base of Stonebwoy ebia sa video we no kra uhu enu nti ebia nana tornado no ohu ye enu nti na man be kan say sabi ni anadamfo na ya ma Stonebwoy nyina no ontimi ma abonten enye den emekan secondly ebetima ba say nana tornado adamfo no Dusty D no ebi ono nso hu video ni mu bia enu nti ebi ono nso fili pain say oh ni am ye ma me nuan wantimi mpa anko abonten anye den ankoka because for nana tornado to utter such words ne chese nkomo bia koso baabi and before say asema enia dance ne yetwa ho baabi ane de ya dance enu nti nana tornado no credit ne say otrofo oseme dance ni ewo Jamaica evidence ewo ho chese ampa Stonebwoy I show gratitude and appreciation to Dusty D for near oyema no connecting him to Kerry Hilson on any year nyum enu nti nana sabi achia so emu ye now evidence abano minim say wo de uye nipa upe peace ana o kanokre me hu stories waba abonten abe apologize because of sabi wanye nhwehwe mu ne nyoma and for Ghanaians to respect you na omobe hu sabi enye Stonebwoy ho time bi na wo na emom no eyade bi a wahu na munim say wanti manye but now no ehwehwemu no kire say am pastor more ya ade no anu ti na kame nko a kabrabonten na be pastor boy a say that part ne de e bia wa hu video no anu ti na ma wo be kan asem no anu ti no ano from brejo unya no ofa sabi ubodi nchewo tie and dodo ne so ye content no mo be attack ye za bim na ti so be attack ye no kwane ne say me no nya ade a me wo Stonebwoy ho tan Stonebwoy he is like my brother sabi oye musician ono adwuma na oye what you say and me use me platform say obi ye na adwuma no me be tarnish ni image there be just say Ghana entertainment space no matter what you do fans no o ma be decide say wonu masem no as o tan ye artist no but enye sanete who pedipa odo Stonebwoy na amunim say me do no I'm telling you na we aso no obi abeka no asem no obi a onka no asem enso echi yawi munam enso echi yawi munam oh eya anu ti do na amunim na tornado no mon kan chen so mrabonte no be pastor Stonebwoy achew na asem bia fa na asem ko. Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopon shao na ontine nim chiro. I'm out.